Welcome to the future of luxury travel with the Ferrari Luxury Motorhome 2026, a masterpiece engineered for those who want unmatched elegance, power, and world-class comfort on the road. As we approach the motorhome, the front door view immediately captivates you with its sleek aerodynamic Ferrari signature, bold golden finish, and ultra-modern LED contour lighting. The massive windshield curves beautifully, giving a panoramic view from the driver's cabin. Moving side to side, the clean sculpted lines flow seamlessly from the front to the long extended body, combining supercar DNA with luxury motorhome design. The Ferrari Luxury 2026 stands tall on multi-axle premium wheels, each crafted for stability, style, and performance. As you walk along the side, the flush-mounted storage panels, airflow channels, and tinted privacy windows reflect pure engineering brilliance. The rear section continues the elegance with smooth edges, futuristic vents, and a wide stance that shows this is not just a motorhome, it's a luxury mansion on wheels. Every angle highlights Ferrari's commitment to design perfection, turning this 2026 model into a masterpiece built for the elite. Stepping inside the Ferrari Luxury 2026 bedroom, you enter a peaceful, premium space designed for ultimate relaxation. The room features a queen-size luxury bed with soft ambient lighting running across the ceiling and under the frame. High-gloss wood panels and leather walls wrap the space in warmth. Large side windows provide natural light while maintaining privacy. Hidden storage, digital climate control, and quiet zone insulation ensure a perfect sleeping environment. Everything feels premium, calm, and beautifully finished, exactly like a Ferrari luxury suite. The TV lounge of the Ferrari Luxury Motorhome 2026 welcomes you with a modern entertainment experience. Plush leather recliners face a large smart 4K screen mounted on a floating panel with LED glow. Surround sound speakers deliver cinematic audio, and the lounge layout is open, comfortable, and perfect for long trips. The glossy floor, ambient corner lighting, and soft touch design give it a real first-class luxury vibe. Moving to the kitchen area, the Ferrari Luxury 2026 continues its premium standards. The kitchen is compact yet fully equipped, featuring a marble finish countertop, induction cooking surface, stainless appliances, and built-in LED cabinets. A modern sink, fridge, storage drawers, and touchscreen controls make this a smart and efficient cooking space. The overall feel is clean, stylish, and elegant, matching the exterior design depth of this luxury motorhome. Inside the washroom, you are greeted by a modern premium setup. The Ferrari Luxury 2026 washroom includes a glass door shower cabin, luxury sink, soft LED highlights, high-quality fittings, and a clean ceramic layout. The space feels fresh, minimal, and high-end, offering hotel-level comfort wherever you travel. As we return to explore all angles of the Ferrari Luxury Motorhome 2026, the wide interior walkway, premium leather textures, panoramic windows, and high-ceiling cabin create a spacious environment unlike anything else in its class. The steering cabin showcases a futuristic digital cockpit with a panoramic windshield, sport-inspired controls, and a luxury captain seat. The lighting system, storage design, and finishing touches across every angle reflect Ferrari's commitment to craftsmanship. Whether viewed from the outside or inside, the Ferrari Luxury 2026 stands as an icon of performance, design, and next-level motorhome excellence.